So last week we did the very first how to create a Fitness Pilates 6-week beginners course. And we were both blown away, Kelly and I, with how many people booked on. It was such a positive workshop, and we got some great feedback because we created lesson plans. And on the lesson plans, we created and documented every exercise and how to progress it, how long should you spend on each exercise, all the teaching tips. And it's a really helpful resource. So we are continuing on with this series, but this week we're doing how to create a 6-week mini ball course. So if you invested in mini balls, and again, you would like to do a 6-week course, again, with regressions, progressions, time spent on each exercise, the best exercises to use, exercises to avoid, exercises to put in, and you would like to attend the workshop on Thursday, you can do it live. Loads of people did it live, which was brilliant last week. Or you can get the recording, and of course you'll get all the lesson plans as well. And I'll put all the details below.